This is an immersion Vanderbilt project, which gives us a tremendous amount of flexibility in the way that we instruct our students. And this particular Florence Price project gives us the opportunity for our students to be the conductor, to be the arranger, to be the editor of this music, which is normally not an experience that they would get to have in an educational setting.
Good work, that's in good shape.
Florence Price was one of the leading African American composers during the first half of the 20th century.
I'm very, very fortunate in that we have a wonderful team at the Peabody College of Education. They are just absolutely on top of everything. We love the partnership that we've been able to create with Blair.
No breath.
One of the things that this program helps with just gives them a little bit more time to kind of settle in, understand maybe a little bit bigger worldview of teaching and how that works, and then they get out into the classroom and they can do some real good.